lawnmower motor, gasoline motor to it. And we had a little...
And since I had created an upended lawnmower that was kind of thumping with an incredible...
You would say whenever a kid would be injured by a rotary lawnmower or
property. I effectively destroyed the lawnmower. But when they came back, the
or lawnmower or any other thing that moves due to electricity, really.
Lawn cutting. I had some massive lawns with a very small lawnmower. So I decided I'll time
oversee. So what we have here is just your standard type of push lawnmower. It's 22 inches wide.
But my lawnmower, the mulching blade, does a good job of chewing up as I'm chewing up the other leaves.
I usually just open.
Lawnmower set on high?
Set on high?
Or a weed eater, it'll work fine.
Something like that? Okay.
Heater on the reef, the last lawnmower, if you will, responsible for keeping seaweed under control so that corals could...
Sure. My first concern is, well, that's 8 lawnmower blades coming down.
Different types of hammer or TV or a lawnmower in every home. We need to focus.
I'm dumb, like stick your finger in the lawnmower, you gotta go get it glued back.
Well, if I can run over it with a lawnmower, it's long.
Ban. As he points out, a single gas-powered lawnmower moving.
Second question is, how do I keep it out of my yard? I currently use a riding lawnmower and mulch the...
Angry lawnmower, yeah.
Well, good. Now, how about this? Can we test our soil?
Oh, this is a good time to...
It's a little like, I think of pulling a lawnmower cord. Sometimes I have...
Lawnmower for $100 that was just sitting in her garage. Pink values the lawnmower $200. She only has to pay $100 for it. So
right now it's far too wet to get the lawnmower right there and cut them up,
It's Robin. Yeah, so if you go ahead and cut it with a lawnmower or weed eater.
And just keep on doing it.
Yeah, keep doing it.
Bob Hawke, we invented the Hills hoist, the Victor lawnmower, the cochlear implant.
I cut the lawnmower off and I said, "Can I help you?" One of the gentlemen said, "Yes, we are."
Rates versus just like buying a lawnmower?
Oh, well, there's no comparison. I mean, the sickle bar is something that's designed to cut.
You can also roll the crop by going over them with the lawnmower or the tiller with the blade.
As when I was sitting on my dad's lap on the riding lawnmower. Spoilers, my parents were...
Until they start seeing me driving a lawnmower outside.
For those of you who didn't know,
With a tiller or a lawnmower, or if you just worry them to